Hello and welcome. We are about to embark on a journey to the edges of the world, where humanity has built homes in astonishing, seemingly inhospitable locations. But before we start, where are you tuning in from? I always find it fascinating to know where people are located. These cliffside villages are testaments to human resilience and ingenuity, thriving for centuries against gravity and the elements. From ancient cave dwellings to medieval fortresses, each is a masterpiece of architectural and social engineering. Join me as we soar above these incredible locations, witnessing breathtaking settlements as never before. Our first destination is the enigmatic village of Guyaju in the Yangqing district, China. Carved directly into the cliffs, this honeycomb of over 117 dwellings is one of China's greatest archaeological mysteries. Scholars debate its origins, perhaps a military garrison or a refuge for a persecuted group. The scale of the achievement is staggering, with interconnected caves forming a complex society. Some caves are simple, while others have multiple chambers and even stables. This was a permanent, thriving community dictated by the sun and seasons. The south-facing caves captured winter warmth and provided summer shade. The elevation offered formidable defense, a natural fortress. Imagine the sounds of families, tools, and livestock filling these chambers. The people were self-sufficient, cultivating crops below and hauling them up the cliffs. Water was carefully collected and stored. A larger dwelling at the cliff's top suggests a social hierarchy. Yet the people of Guyaju vanished, leaving no records or clues. Did they succumb to disease, conflict, or climate change? We may never know. Today, Guyaju stands as a haunting monument to a lost people and their incredible adaptation. It is a testament to carving life from the bones of the earth. We travel to the Peloponnese coast of Greece, where a colossal rock rises from the Aegean. Hidden from view is the medieval fortress town of Monemvasia, known as the Gibraltar of the East. Founded in the 6th century, it was an impenetrable sanctuary for Laconia's inhabitants. The town is divided into two parts: the lower town, a labyrinth of cobbled alleyways, and the upper citadel. Byzantine churches, Venetian mansions, and Ottoman houses stand shoulder to shoulder. It was a bustling commercial hub, a vital maritime trading post. The narrow streets were designed to confuse invaders. Rainwater was collected in cisterns, ensuring survival during sieges. The upper town, now mostly ruins, was the citadel for the elite. The Church of Hagia Sophia offers a divine view of the sea. Monemvasia withstood Arab raids, Norman sieges, and changed hands between empires. Its unique geography was both strength and weakness. Today, Monemvasia is experiencing a renaissance, with restored buildings housing guest houses and shops. Walking its streets is stepping back in time, feeling the weight of centuries. It remains a living monument to human resilience and community. A testament to the enduring power of security in adversity. Our final journey takes us to the Alborz Mountains in Iran, where Masuleh grows organically from the mountainside. This thousand-year-old village blurs the boundaries between building, street and landscape. Built on a steep slope, the roof of one house forms the courtyard for the house above. The village is a pedestrian network of rooftops and stairways. Buildings are 2 stories high, blending seamlessly into the earth. Flat roofs are social hubs, public squares and playgrounds. This design fosters a strong sense of community. Private and public spaces are interwoven, necessitating social cooperation. The environment dictates life, with winters cutting off the village. The terrace design conserves heat, relying on stored provisions. In summer, balconies become outdoor living rooms. The absence of vehicles preserves peace and a slower pace of life. Masuleh is a living example of sustainable architecture. It respects the environment, existing in harmony with it. As mist rolls in, Masuleh seems a natural feature of the mountain, a testament to human adaptation and respect for nature. Yet there is one more awe-inspiring testament to human perseverance. Perched high above the Thessalian plains of Greece, the Meteora monasteries. Rising like stone giants, these towering rock pillars cradle ancient monasteries built by monks seeking spiritual refuge and isolation from the world below. Constructed in the 14th and 15th centuries, the monasteries seem to defy gravity, clinging to sheer cliffs hundreds of meters above the ground. Access was once possible only by rope ladders and baskets, hoisted by hand, an act of faith as much as engineering. Today, 6 of these sky-high sanctuaries remain active, their domes and frescoes echoing centuries of devotion and resilience. Meteora stands as both a spiritual haven and a marvel of adaptation, reminding us that throughout history, humanity has always found a way to reach for the heavens, even when the path is carved from stone. Nestled within the rugged cliffs of Italy's Marche region lies Pioraco, a village that seems to emerge organically from the stone itself. With its medieval houses clinging to the rock face and narrow lanes winding through ancient arches, Pioraco is a living tapestry of history and ingenuity. For centuries, its people have harnessed the power of the Potenza River, channeling its waters through ingenious mills and paper workshops, making Pioraco a hidden cradle of Italian papermaking. Today, the village's cascading waterfalls and moss-draped bridges offer a tranquil contrast to its storied past, an enduring reminder of how even in the most unlikely landscapes, communities have flourished by adapting to the Earth's contours. In Pioraco, every stone tells a story of resilience, creativity, and the quiet harmony between humanity and nature. Perched high on the mist-shrouded cliffs of Meghalaya, the homes of Cherrapunji endure in one of the wettest places on Earth. Here, relentless monsoon rains carve rivers into the hillsides and drape the landscape in a perpetual veil of green. The Khasi people have ingeniously adapted to this extreme environment, constructing their dwellings on sturdy stilts and weaving living bridges from the roots of ancient rubber trees. These remarkable root bridges, grown and guided over generations, are living testaments to patience and cooperation between humans and the land. In Cherrapunji, daily life is a dance with the elements, a place where the cliffs echo with the laughter of children, the thrum of rain on tin roofs, and the quiet resilience of a community that has turned adversity into artistry. Here on the edge of the clouds, the spirit of adaptation finds its purest form. High above the rolling valleys of Costa Rica, the village of Monteverde sits nestled in a world where clouds and earth become one. Here the rainforest wears a cloak of mist, and every morning the horizon disappears into a sea of drifting white. The people of Monteverde have built their homes and lives in harmony with this ethereal landscape, adapting to the perpetual dampness and the lush wild growth that surrounds them. Wooden walkways snake between the treetops, and cosy houses cling to the hillsides, their gardens overflowing with orchids, bromeliads and ferns. The air is alive with the songs of exotic birds and the gentle hush of cloud droplets falling onto leaves. In Monteverde, nature is not an obstacle, but a partner, a source of inspiration, sustenance, and wonder. Despite the isolation, a vibrant community flourishes here, shaped by the rhythms of the forest and the ever-present embrace of the clouds. In Monteverde, every day is a reminder that life on the edge of the sky offers its own kind of magic, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary and the mist weaves a quiet spell over all who call this place home. Perched on the remote western edge of the Faroe Islands, Gásadalur is a village that feels suspended between earth, sea and sky. Surrounded by towering green cliffs and battered by the restless North Atlantic winds, this tiny settlement once stood nearly isolated from the rest of the world. For centuries, the only way in or out was a steep, rocky path over the mountains, a journey as daunting as the landscape itself. Today, a single tunnel carves through the rock, connecting Gásadalur's handful of turf-roofed houses to the outside, but the sense of seclusion remains. Waterfalls plunge from the cliffs into the churning ocean below, their mist swirling through the meadows where sheep graze beneath the endless, shifting sky. The villagers have learned to live with the elements, their days shaped by the rhythms of the wind and the calls of seabirds echoing across the fjord. In Gásadalur, nature's power is ever present, but so is its beauty. Here, at the edge of the world, life endures in quiet harmony with the wild, a testament to resilience and to the enduring allure of places where the horizon seems to go on forever. Clinging to the sheer cliffs of Bhutan's Paro Valley, the legendary Paro Taktsang, also known as the Tiger's Nest Monastery, defies gravity and imagination. Wrapped in swirling mists and perched over 3,000 meters above the valley floor, this sacred site appears almost otherworldly, its white-walled temples and golden roofs blending seamlessly with the craggy rock. For centuries, monks have made the perilous trek up narrow, winding trails, drawn by the promise of solitude, spiritual enlightenment, and breathtaking views that stretch across the emerald forests below. Here, prayer flags flutter in the thin mountain air, carrying whispered hopes and ancient chants into the infinite sky. Life at Paro Taktsang is a delicate balance between the harshness of the elements and the serenity of devotion, a place where faith is written into every stone and where the human spirit soars as high as the eagles that circle above. In this cliffside sanctuary, the boundaries between earth and heaven blur, offering a glimpse into a world shaped by both nature's grandeur and the enduring search for meaning. As we conclude our journey through these breathtaking cliffside villages, we've traversed the edges of existence and wandered through ancient sanctuaries. From the mist-shrouded Tiger's Nest Monastery in Bhutan to the windswept haven of Gásadalur in the Faroe Islands, each village tells a story of human resilience, spiritual quest, and the timeless dance between man and nature. These awe-inspiring locations remind us that beauty often lies in the most unexpected places. They stand as testaments to the enduring human spirit and our intrinsic connection to the world around us. If this journey has stirred your soul and sparked your curiosity, we invite you to join our community. Subscribe to our channel and share these stories with others who seek adventure and inspiration. Together, let's continue to explore the wonders of our world, one breathtaking view at a time. Thank you for watching, and until our next voyage, keep dreaming and discovering.